Everyone, good morning. So good morning to our school head, to our school administrator, to our respected teachers, honored parents, and to our guests, and most especially to our graduates and our dear completers of today. It is truly an honor and a privilege to be here with you today and to stand in front of you for these amazing people who are celebrating a very important milestone of their lives. Before anything else, congratulations everyone, graduates, completers, you made it. Nahuman jud ninyo ang another chapter sa inyong life. So today is not just about finishing your senior high school and your junior high school. It is about celebrating your journey, ang inyong kahago, inyong sacrifices, ug tanan ninyong gipang-agian just to reach this moment. So by the way, my name is Ronaldine Labrador. I am a graduate of a Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. Sorry kung baan ko. Last year sa St. John Paul II College of Davao. So standing here today is very meaningful to me because I was once in your place. I remember sa una nga, ang room ato was makeshift lang. And yeah, I can see a lot of improvements and maka-happy lang and naka-amaze na to see a lot of you very, inspiring to see na nadaghan na kaayo ang what do you call this, mga students diri sa Mapula. And katong time pod is ang na-remember na ko ato kay amuhang makeshift ato is nipa ato, and then wala dingding ato. Yes, walay blackboard, and then yes, and one of the first teachers ato is Sir Neil, sila Ma'am Cherry, si Ma'am Jess, si Ma'am Rose, and shout out to Sir Ton and to Ma'am Ann and Ma'am Rose. Sila jud ang mga ni-guide o nag-isalig para tuluan me, ni-guide me to reach our dreams. But you know what I realized during this moment and until this moment, it didn't matter how simple our classroom were back then. Because our dreams were never small. Bisan simple lang among environment that time, dako kaayo mig pangandoy. We showed up every day, we studied, we dreamed, and we believed. Times when I was afraid also to take risks. Napay times na nasayop ko o nagmahay ko sa akong mga, decisions in life. But those mistakes, those wrong decisions, taught me something very important. I learned that in life, you have to choose things. You have to decide something that you are passionate about. Things that you will not regret later on. Because in life, masakit jud ang what if. What if ingani? What if ingani akong gi-decide sa una? And kaysa, at least I tried. Bahala gitry nimo, gitry nimo and na-fail ka, at least maka-learn ka sa imuhang failure. And it's better to try to fail than never try at all. Eventually, I found my path when I decided to take my program, my course, which is Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. At first, it was just a course, it was just a program, but later on, it became my passion. Tourism opened my eyes to the world. It showed me how big the world is and how diverse people are, and how many opportunities are out there waiting for us. And sa akong course, sa akong program, kaya nako JT man ko sa sa airport, sa PAL, Philippine Airlines. Dito ko nakat-on na how to interact with different people, and how to, to know their culture, how diverse their culture, how diverse the world is. When it comes sa ilahang culture, sa ilahang perspective, sa ilahang country, you will know a lot of those things. And mo go out of my comfort zone. Actually, I was really shy just back then. Siguro until karon shy gihapon ko, but ginaano lang jud nako nga na mahuman lang nina, ma-okay lang ang tanan, and ma-okay lang. And that's something that I want you to realize as well. Your role does not end here. Mag-college pa mo, mag-senior high pa mo, it is actually begins here. Dili taman ang inyuhang journey. Of course, nagsugod pa lang mo. As you move forward, let me share 3 important reminders. First, never stop learning. This graduation is not the end of learning. Kaya mag-college pa mo, mag-senior high pa mo, it's just the beginning. Daghan pa kaayo mong makatunan outside from this, and when you also pursue your college and your senior high, napa mo yung mga another, like difficult, like the level of difficulty sa iyong challenges is mas high. Second, do not afraid to fail. Failure is not something to be ashamed of. It is part of growth. Ayaw kahadlok na masayo, kay diha mo makakaton. Third, believe in yourself. There will be moments when you doubt yourself, but always remember, you made it this far for a reason. Kung nakaya ninyo na makaabot diri, sa pakahangin yung makaya buhaton in the future. To the parents, thank you for your love and sacrifices, and also to your support. Sa mga ginakanan, daghang salamat sa inyong kahago, sa inyong suporta sa inyong mga anak. To the teachers, thank you so much for your patience, dedication, and for guiding these students for every step of the way. And to the graduates, be proud of yourself. Not just for finishing high school, your senior high school and junior high school, but for overcoming every challenge that came your way. As you step to the next chapter of your life, there will be new challenges, new experiences, and new opportunities. And there will be times when things don't go your own way, because God has different plans for you, and mas better siya kaysa sa imong plano. Because one day, you will look back and thank yourself for not giving up. So dream big. So kung mga doon na lang galing mo, dapat dako na. Yung parang imposible, pero posible. Padayon lang, keep going. Because one day, and most importantly, build a life that you will be proud of. Ayaw kahadlok sa inyong mga pangandoy. Kaya ninyo na. Graduates, this is your moment. This is your time. And this is just the beginning of your journey. Once again, congratulations. Padayon o padayon lang mo. Thank you and God bless you all.